Rihanna, a global music sensation and successful businesswoman, expressed her love for Orlando in a 2019 Vogue interview. Known for hits like Umbrella, she is also celebrated for her inclusive beauty line and lingerie brand. Despite her immense success, Rihanna remains down to earth and relatable, serving as a role model for women worldwide. With accolades such as being named the richest female musician and national hero of Barbados, she embodies empowerment and inspiration. Discover Orlando's charm with Rihanna's 5-day itinerary. Uncover the city's energy, culture, and hidden gems for unforgettable memories. The first day itinerary, embarking on an Orlando adventure. Start your Orlando adventure at Walt Disney World Resort, where Disney's magic shines in themed lands full of exciting rides and beloved characters. Explore the rides, watch entertaining shows, and get lost in a world of fantasy. After a fun morning, visit Loo Gardens, a beautiful botanical garden with colorful flowers and peaceful trails. Finish your day with a delicious dinner at a local restaurant serving fresh, locally sourced food. The second day itinerary, embracing culture and arts. Discover Orlando's culture by visiting the Orlando Museum of Art, where you'll see a variety of artworks from different artists. Then explore Thornton Park and Audubon Park, neighborhoods famous for their unique shops, art galleries, and cool cafes. Treat yourself to delicious food at East End Market, a place with many tasty options. End your day with a show at the Dr. Phillips Center for the Performing Arts, where you can enjoy top-notch entertainment. The third day, itinerary, nature's splendor and adventure excursions. Enjoy the beauty of Orlando at Lake Eola Park downtown, where you can rent paddle boats, walk along scenic paths, and see the city skyline. Then, have fun at Universal Orlando Resort with its exciting rides, themed lands, and live shows for everyone. End your day with an airboat tour in the Everglades at sunset, where you'll see Florida's wildlife and lush wetlands up close. The fourth day itinerary, exploring Winter Park. Take a trip outside the city to Winter Park, a lovely town famous for its old buildings, fancy shops, and boat tours on the Winter Park chain of lakes. Visit the Morse Museum to see beautiful Tiffany glass art, and walk around the colorful gardens at Harry P. Loo Gardens. Have a relaxed brunch at a popular spot before going back to Orlando for some shopping at the mall at Millenia, where you'll find luxury stores and designer brands. The fifth day itinerary, relaxation and farewell to Orlando. On your last day, relax at one of Orlando's best spas for some pampering and peaceful vibes. Then, check out the art scene in the Mills 50 district, known for its cool murals and art galleries. End your trip with a special dinner at a rooftop restaurant, enjoying the view of the city as you say goodbye to Orlando and cherish the memories of your amazing adventure. Hotel recommendations for your Orlando stay. For a luxurious stay in Orlando, you have several exceptional hotel options to choose from. The illustrious Waldorf Astoria Orlando and the Ritz-Carlton Orlando Grande Lakes are renowned for their luxury accommodations, exquisite dining, and impeccable service. If you're looking for more budget-friendly options without compromising quality, consider staying at the Hyatt Regency Orlando or the Wyndham Grand Orlando Resort Bonnet Creek. These hotels offer comfortable and stylish accommodations at a more affordable price, ensuring a pleasant stay during your time in Orlando. Dining recommendations for your Orlando experience. Embark on a food adventure in Orlando at these 4 top-notch restaurants, each offering unique dining experiences. Victoria and Albert's and Norman's at the Ritz-Carlton provide upscale dining with exceptional food and fancy atmosphere, perfect for special occasions. If you're looking for something more casual and affordable, Try 7 Bites or Black Rooster Taqueria for delicious local dishes that capture Orlando's vibrant food scene. Victoria and Albert's offers delectable truffled pasta and succulent beef tenderloin, while Norman's tantalizes taste buds with its flavorful Yucatan-style pork. Indulge in the comforting classics at 7 Bites, renowned for its mouth-watering biscuits and gravy, or opt for the authentic street tacos served at Black Rooster Taqueria. Delight in the diverse culinary offerings of Orlando's vibrant food scene. Discovering iconic souvenirs in Orlando. Discover a trove of iconic souvenirs that encapsulate the essence of Orlando's charm and allure, ranging from Disney-themed memorabilia and Mickey Mouse keepsakes to locally crafted artworks depicting the city's unique culture and natural beauty. Explore trendy boutiques in Audubon Park and College Park for one-of-a-kind jewelry pieces, artisanal ceramics, and chic fashion finds. Indulge in gourmet treats like key lime pie, Florida citrus candies, and specialty chocolates infused with tropical flavors that evoke the spirit of Sunshine State. Whether you're browsing through eclectic markets, exploring vibrant neighborhoods, or visiting theme park shops, you'll find an array of Orlando-themed mementos to commemorate your visit and cherish the memories of your Orlando journey for years to come. Greetings! I'm Tauhid Setarehdan, and I'm thrilled to have you join me on my channel, Tourism with Setarehdan. Here you'll discover captivating videos where beloved celebrities share their travel insights and itinerary plans for destinations worldwide. If you're eager to explore the globe with us, don't hesitate to hit the subscribe button and turn on all notifications for our channel updates. If you found this video enjoyable, informative, and beneficial, we kindly ask you to show your support by clicking the like button and sharing your thoughts in the comments section. Additionally, feel free to share the video link with your friends and invite them to embark on our exciting adventures together. I recommend selecting a video from the options provided to further enrich your travel knowledge. Thank you for watching the entire video.